Terri here from the Healthy Wallet Project. Today I'm in the kitchen with Persephone from Persephone's Pantry.
Hey Terri, and so nice to have you in my kitchen today, and can't wait for this exciting collaboration.
So today we thought that we'd do this video together because we both understand how overwhelming it can be to create healthy meals on a budget. And what Persephone is going to show us today is using ingredients that we can easily pick up from the supermarket, come home and quickly make it, which sounds like my kind of snack.
And cheaply as well, which is important.
So Persephone, what are we making today?
So today I'm going to show you how to make my pea and mint pesto, which is really awesome because you generally have these ingredients either in the fridge or the freezer. And yeah, it's super cheap and super quick and easy to make. Okay, so the ingredients that I'm going to use to make the pea and mint pesto are super simple. So I've got 1 cup of frozen peas, which I've just defrosted for about 5 minutes just in some boiling water. Then I have about 20 grams of parmesan, which is totally optional if you don't eat dairy. And then some spring onions, small handful of mint, and a garlic clove. And basically this just goes in the processor with some lemon juice and some olive oil, and we blitz it up and it's as easy as that. So let's do that. So I'm using a Magimix today, but if you don't have a Magimix, you can use a hand blender or a Thermomix or anything like that. So just popping this in. About kind of 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then juice of one of these beautiful homegrown lemons. And you can always add a bit more lemon juice or a bit more liquid if you need to as well, so that's always handy. Try and avoid pips, unlike what I've just managed to do. And then I'm just going to go with some salt and pepper. Nice generous grind. And then we literally just blend this for a few minutes. So we'll just do this.
Wow, so that looks like a really versatile dish to make. Is there any way that we can add it to other meals?
Yeah, absolutely. So obviously it's really quick and really easy. So I love mixing this through some pasta and then adding a couple of extra veggies like spinach or broccolini or something. It's really, really delicious. I also love making like a green omelette, so I mix some of this through some eggs and then just make an omelette, which is really, really, really delicious.
That sounds really creative and a great way to sneak in vegetables.
It's a really great way to sneak in vegetables. So just going to blitz this one more time and then it should be perfect. Okay, so this is all done now. It's looking really, really bright and vibrant and also tasting delicious, which is the most important thing, obviously.
Absolutely. Now you look like you've got an interesting arrangement of vegetables there. What have you got?
I sure do. So today I'm serving the pea and mint pesto with all raw vegetables. So I have some red capsicum here, some asparagus, green beans, purple carrot, and celery.
Oh, well, that looks like a really good way to use up the vegetables that you got in your fridge.
Yeah, definitely. And I know it's probably a bit more unusual to see green beans and asparagus, but they're so sweet, especially when they're in season.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a really great way of using up these vegetables.
So this has been a fantastic afternoon. Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome.
I've been very inspired by this great, simple, healthy, cheap pesto, and you know, like it's going to be one of my new go-tos for that 3 o'clock hunger strike. And you know, because I really struggled, you know, a few years ago when I started trying to do meal prep and stuff, because I'm not a cook at all.
It's so overwhelming as well, especially when you're trying to do things on a budget. So yeah, it's
well, yeah, because you have, like, you know, a pasta is one of the cheap things to do, and you know, it's so good to see that, you know, you don't have to have plain and boring vegetables. You can like jazz them up and have a bit of fun with them.
Yeah, exactly.
Which has been very inspiring.
So I also think what you're doing has been really inspiring as well, and it's great to see the community that you're building through the Healthy Wallet project, and can't wait to do more collaborations like this further. So yeah.
Oh, thank you. So thank you everyone for joining us this afternoon. It's been really great being here. And now for everyone who wants to grab this amazing recipe, where can they find it?
So you can find this recipe and lots more like this on persephoneparkerdomus.com, and also on Persephone's Pantry on my YouTube channel. We'll be able to find some cool, inspiring videos.
Thanks everyone for watching, and we shall see you soon.
Thanks guys. Mwah.
So, thank you so much.
Oh, sorry, I think I ruined that. I put my tongue out just as you spoke.